Quick video on how to address the loose battery terminal. Many vehicles suffer this issue, that the original terminal that comes with the vehicle or later on changed, like this battery terminal, this hole is too big for the battery post to fit, so it's always loose and car not starting rough, stalling, and corrosion forming right here. So a quick video on that, how to address it. So all we need is I take the negative terminal off first, then the positive off. These are my charging port, don't need that. So then buy a set of this. This is lead, so be careful, this is very toxic. Okay, so I shouldn't be using it with the hand. I should actually use the gloves, latex gloves. I got the gloves but not using it. Leave it here. Anyway, so don't lick this thing, by the way, and wash your hands after done. So take it off terminal, expand this terminal and install this on the post, and then put the terminal back on, tighten it. Done. Well, few tricks. So corrosion will form again inside this. Okay, so before you install this, grease it with battery contact grease or lithium grease or just regular grease. Grease it inside, grease it outside as well, and clean these terminals. Then install it like a regular battery terminal, and tighten it. So do the negative and positive same way. Now sometimes it's this turns out to be too wide, too big to go through this terminal. In that case, what I do is I cut it in half and use only half of it. I slide half of it in it. So I'll show in a second a little bit of it, not all. So this is it. I packed inside with contact grease, and I opened this screw a little bit and tapped. I held this screwdriver here and tapped a little bit to open it up. Don't tap too hard because it can crack right here. This is a tip. In my videos you'll find a lot of important tips that helps you, and I'm happy you are doing some project instead of just playing video games or watching useless videos by many big YouTubers for entertainment only, not really doing any real life purpose sometimes. Okay, it's now time to put it back. So that's it. We tighten it. Make sure you tighten it enough, because that lead cap has to contract fully, has to be compressed fully by this bolt. So look, before it was all touching each other, but because of this expander or the cap, now it's not, I couldn't tighten anymore. This is good, very tight now. So what happens is when this is actually running a additional winch, these terminals, what happens is when there's load on that winch, when the winch is working, this terminal looked strong enough, but it was losing power. It couldn't give continuous power, so then it was failing, stalling and stalling. This way it's very important, the terminals, battery terminals, to be very tight and clean. Now another thing I'll show quickly here, I'll try to make a video on it too. This is a side post battery, otherwise this is the side post, another side post. So these are actually accessories to run accessory. If you have a battery that's side post and top post together, and it's easier to run many accessories, bigger batteries, right? If you have a battery just side post, you can convert it to top post. So just side post, sometimes it's very difficult to change batteries on the side here, so it's easy to convert. I'll show you in another video how to make it top post. Okay, and hope this helps, and please share and subscribe, and look at the channel for many other important videos.